Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner, low-mileage 2015 Maserati Ghibli SQ4 sedan. If you are looking for the prestigious Trident badge, the Italian power, speed and sexy styling, then you are looking at your next mid-size luxury sports sedan. This Maserati, with the remainder of its factory warranty, offers high performance, the Ferrari-designed turbocharged V6 with a satisfying exhaust note, and all of the flair and panache you would expect from the upscale cabin. Luxury Motorsports is a multiple award-winning dealership that also holds an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we specialize in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this all-wheel drive is a 3-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, generating 404 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. The cabin of this 5-passenger Q4 enjoys keyless ignition and entry, 6-way power front seats, Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, power sunroof and rear sunshade, and an 8-speaker sound system. This model also features the Inox Sport foot pedals. The exterior boasts the 19-inch Sport Proteo machine polished alloy wheels. The list of additional features is extensive. Please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us to see the full list of specifications on this particular model. We encourage you to rush on over and enjoy the Maserati experience for yourself. You will be impressed by the potent acceleration, the precise and responsive transmission shifts, and pop the SQ4 into sport mode and delight at the snarl of the exhaust note. There is nothing else to compare to the power, performance and thrill of driving a Maserati in its class. Quiet and well-mannered around town, or exhilarating as you carve through hairpin back roads, this Ghibli offers composure, agility and confidence to satisfy whatever mood you're in. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.